Hello there, random strangers on the internet. Have you ever built walls? Have you ever struggled with making them look good? I have as well. I figured out a way to fix that. For me, at least. Let's get into that. Anyway, to start off, we're going to be using stone bricks or any sort of item as our base block. And I'm just going to be making the wall this big. And keep in mind, this is just an example wall. Now from here, we have our wall, and we can go to mossy stone bricks. Now remember that the moss would probably clump together as it creeps up along the side of this, resulting in there not being a whole bunch of clear patches and it looking a lot more mossy and like things are hanging down. And of course, the moss would also probably destroy some of the bricks, turning them into more of a cobblestone due to how moss decays and eats through stone. So like that. But then there could also be some spots where the moss missed that have just been breaking down due to weather issues. So we can fill those in with just cobblestone, top the wall a line bit more, as well as a bit of a stone base to lighten things up a bit. And so all you have to do really is think, how would this look in terms of an actual wall with actual growth patterns? And this is what I see it would look like. But you can take this one step beyond, if I could find the vines, and just throw in some vines over the moss in order to make it look a bit more 3D and like it pops out. And if you want, you can even add some azalea or mangrove leaves to add a bit more texture to your walls, like this and that. So that is what I found makes walls look good, and if you'll excuse me for 1 second. I did a similar thing over in this build, where instead of using mossy things, I used cracked deep slate and some glow lichen for the exact same sort of similar effect, and then mangrove leaves going up the side as vines and trees, with some pale hanging moss for hanging stuff, and some vines to make it look more old, along with a blue contrast to the green and black build. And then yeah, that is how you can build a really cool looking wall. Thank you for watching the video, and I will hopefully see you in the future. Goodbye. 1 sec. Now, goodbye.